Welcome to our in-depth look at the iconic 1991 Ferrari Testarossa, a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. The Testarossa, with its sleek design and powerful performance, captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. Under the hood, this beauty boasts a 4.9-liter flat-12 engine, delivering an impressive 380 horsepower. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 5.2 seconds, the Testarossa offers a thrilling driving experience that is unmatched. The interior is a blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring premium materials and ergonomic design. Its distinctive side strakes and wide rear stance make the Testarossa instantly recognizable on the road. Driving this Ferrari is not just a journey, it's an experience that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply appreciate fine craftsmanship, the 1991 Ferrari Testarossa is sure to captivate your imagination. Thanks for joining me on this epic ride in the 1991 Ferrari Testarossa. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more thrilling content, and I'll see you in the next adventure.